Hello, Matt Ryan here with the Bozeman Real Estate Group. I'm here to bring you your weekly market update for the Bozeman area. Before we get into the nitty-gritty of it, let's make sure that you hit that subscribe button below the video you're currently watching, or if you're on our main YouTube page, this red button right here. That way you can stay up to date and receive updates of these market updates going on as the market continues to shift. We also put out other content surrounding the Bozeman area. So let's get into it. So starting off this week, we'll be focusing on Manhattan to Livingston, down to Galton Gateway, and throughout the Bozeman area, um, and be providing data and insight on a couple of listings from that region. Starting off in the past 7 days, as of this morning, we've had 37 new listings. 5 homes come back onto the market, so they were under contract and fell through, and so they're able to show again. We've had 48 price decreases, 1 price increase, 31 homes go under contract, 43 homes sell and close to new owners, and 3 homes expire and leave the market. That is a new stat that you probably haven't heard about in the last couple of years, as it hasn't really happened. But that means that a home attempted to sell and one is unable to during their current listing contract. I think that's a trend that will continue as interest rates rise and the market continues into this more neutral setting. To get further into the detail, we'll look here. Even though this says September right here, this is data that was pulled as of October 20th right here. And we'll be comparing the current data compared to September of 2021. So we have been hearing a lot about prices falling, but here locally, our data isn't showing that quite yet. That may happen because that is a typical trend when interest rates rise. We usually do see a little bit pullback in pricing, but not yet here. As of right now, median sale price for the areas that I just mentioned from Three Forks to Livingston down to Galton Gateway is our median sale price. So the middle of the market is $850. That's a almost 27% increase over September of 21. And the homes that had sold so far for September and October have had a 10% increase over August of 22. That's a little bit skewed just because that's a really small sample size, but it does show that pricing is holding strong. The big shift that is benefiting everybody for the most part is this median days on market. We've had 150% almost increase in that, and that is allowing you buyers to be able to see a home a couple times. You can get a second showing. You don't have to write an offer after seeing it for 15 minutes. And really that aspect of our previous market where we've had multiple offers in those pieces has kind of gone. We've had an 81% increase end of month inventory and 150% increase of our total supply. That means, so we're sitting at about 3 months of inventory. And that really means that if there were no new homes to come to market, it would take about 3 months to sell. So that's a good stat that's allowing some buyers some negotiation room. And the final stat that's really impacting sellers we're seeing here is this 96.7% of final sale price compared to the list price. That's a 2.5% almost decrease. That means, this time last year we were selling at about 101% of the list price with all the multiple offers and bidding wars. That's backed off and a little more negotiation room for buyers. There are 2 properties that I wanted to point out this week that just kind of show the range of our market here in the Bozeman area. First one is 850 Whistleberry in Galton Gateway. Hit the market this week at 8.9 million. It's got 5 beds, 5 bathrooms with 6,400 square feet on 121 acres. Stunning new build with incredible views and land. And then the deal of the week, in my opinion, is this 2200 West Dickerson, Street 15, listed by Nancy Stevenson out of our office. It is listed at 375, 2 bed, 2 bath, 1,200 square feet, give or take, and plenty of room to update. So you can make that your own and get some value there. And then wrapping up, if you have questions about this market or how things are changing, you can find my contact information on our website here. If you go to the About page, hit our team, scroll down until you see this picture here. It's got a little bit of my background and information as well as my contact. Any way that I can be helpful or any questions you have, please reach out. Thanks so much.